Welcome to this 7-minute anti-wrinkle face massage. If you want to keep your skin glowy and smooth into your 40s, 50s, 60s, then this is the perfect routine that you can do in just a few minutes on a daily basis. And also I made this totally beginner friendly. So let's grab some oil and get started. So you're gonna wanna take a few drops of oil and just evenly distribute them on your chest and neck and your face so that we can work without having to interrupt applying oil again in a little bit. And the first thing that we are going to do is massaging our trapezius muscle. So you're just gonna do some strokes, grabbing with the opposite hand from the back some tissue and just sliding forward. And just do this on each side a few times. This feels so good and it's such a good release for these very, very tight muscles on the shoulders, the trapezius muscles where most of our stress sits, but also this area affects how the rest of your face looks like, how puffy you get, and how the whole structure works. So I like to take a little bit of extra time here, about 10 strokes on each side. Then we are going to continue with some strokes from the kind of ear down towards your collarbones. And you can do a few here. Just sliding from the top down to the collarbones. Now we are going to do some stretches. You're gonna take your head up and pull with your chin upwards, and then do the same thing a little bit to the right and a little bit to the left. And let's repeat again, up towards the center, chin stretching up, and then diagonally up to one side and diagonally up to the other side. Fantastic. Now we are massaging our ears, and this is a great area because a lot of hormones, happy hormones, is gonna be released when you massage your ears. So this is not only great for lymph flow and for your face, but also it's actually bringing you into a good, amazing mood. Now we are going to work on our chin. So get a drop of oil on the back of your hand, and then just begin rubbing under your chin. You want to press the tongue up at the roof of your mouth, and then you have more stability to do this exercise better. You're moving your head to the left and right as well. Then we're going to take our knuckles and just slide from under the chin all the way out towards the corner of your jawline. You can use quite a strong pressure here. Then let's move on, massaging our chewing muscles. Literally just with your knuckles, you want to do some circles and find all the tight areas, all the knots, and simply work into that a little bit. You can open your mouth slightly as well, that feels nice. And just get in there. Now we are going to use our knuckles to slide at the upper part of the jawline, so not below like we just did, but above actually. So from the center of your chin, just sliding out towards your ear. Next up, we are going to slide under the cheekbones. So you're going to start basically about where your lip is, and just feel where the bone is, and kind of with your knuckles slide kind of along the bone, sculpting your cheeks. Now we are going to work on our under eye area, and for that you're going to take 2 fingers to support the tissue, kind of place them by your nose, and the other hand is going to slide out along on top of the bone. So in the last exercise you're kind of sliding with your knuckles under the bone, and here you are sliding along the orbital bone, which is the bone that surrounds the eye. Just going from underneath the eye all the way out to your temple. Now let's take care of our noses, and we are simply going to do small sliding movements outwards, sliding from the bridge of the nose out towards the cheeks. And you can do this all along the nose, going up and down along the length of the nose. Here we are going to also massage right next to the wings of the nose, going deep in this area to prevent nasolabial folds. Now let's make some upward strokes with your fingers on your temple area. We're going to go vertically up, up, and up, lengthening and smoothing out crow's feet and lifting your eyes. Now we're going to do the same thing, long strokes, but going from the eye back horizontally towards your hairline. By the way, don't worry if you notice your skin getting a little bit warm and red. This is actually desired. So let's do our forehead to prevent forehead lines. You're going to do some circles along the forehead area, and you want to go quite deep here. You want to really move all of the skin and unstick it from the bone. Next one, we are doing 11 lines, so we are going to just slide from the bridge of the nose kind of up and spreading your eyebrows going outwards. Just take a few deep strokes like that. Feels really nice, reduces stress, and is amazing as well before bed. And then now we are going to also massage our head. The shape and state of your cranium is very important for the appearance of your face, so we do really need to make sure that everything is unstuck and moving. This is not only good for your face but actually also helps with hair growth, so get in there. Don't just superficially rub a little bit on top of your skin, but actually melt through the skin and try to move all of that skin and tissue over your scalp. And like this, we are finished. Simply take a few nice strokes all over your face, going down softly. So you basically just want to slide from the center of your face out towards your ears and then sliding down along your neck. And just do this a few times, make it feel nice. You can also slide out on your forehead towards your temples and then go down the sides of your face and down your neck area. If you want to learn more, I have an amazing ebook called The 10 Signs of Facial Aging and How to Fix Them. You can download that for free. And also I have my amazing The Fascia Facelift course, which takes you through 7 routines in 7 days to give you a full facelift. And all of this is linked down below in the description box. See you in the next video.